Hey guys, this is Bharati. So before starting my speech, I just want to make sure only one thing. How many of them using as a first task in your day, using your phone as a scroller? Just raise your hand. Okay, super. How many of them using as a night rider, the same phone and scrolling again before going to sleep? Right. Then welcome to the digital trap. The thing is, you people are training your digital twin beyond the data. The thing is, if you are scrolling the phone or any gadgets which you have in your hand, you are simply training the models which is not available in front of you, which is in your background. Okay. The thing is, you can already see if you are thinking any kind of content or any music or even anything which is not related to you and not even which is related to you. The thing is, if you want to see something similar and something is not similar, if you can think the phone or even the gadget which show you in front of as a video or as image. Have you noticed it? Maybe people can notice it or even not noticed it. But the thing is, this is what happening. As a data scientist and the people who are working along with the psychologists, we can say LLM psychologist. So we always club the data from the external sources like the humans and even from the data from the artificial intelligence. People may say, you are the people giving the artificial intelligence. No, we are the people, actual artificial intelligence and training them. Who will give you the data to them? We. Who train the artificial intelligence? We, because we are the sources of data for the artificial intelligence, for the GPTs, for even the BERT models. People can even think, what exactly happened with the data, man? I'm so tired of it. No, you are the data. Your brain is the data, and you is the artificial intelligence. Even if you are believe it or not, you are creating the digital twin of yourself without knowing yourself. Have you think about it? Just think, if you thinking faster and some machine is thinking faster than you and making decisions instead of you, what you will think, what you will do? We can simply watch. That's it. We can simply watch the videos. We can simply watch the images. We can simply react. Most even with the likes and comments. That's what we are engaged, right? But the decision making is ours. The thing is, we are slowly trading it to the data, most importantly, the models and the AI. Our emotional triggers, our emotional passes, our brain fatigue, it's all happened because of what? Us. We are the input for those models. They are just predicting our emotions day by day, hourly, seconds, even the milliseconds. Let me move on to the next one, because I don't want to confuse everything with only with the data, because AI is always rely on data, and data rely on humans. So we are the one feeding the data to the AI, along with the path of data. Some people can say, no, it's not, it was built with some experts. No, we are the experts. We are providing the data. We are providing the inputs. Can anybody say no? No, we are not providing any data. No, I can say it's a big no. We are the one. We are providing the data by simply clicking the likes, by simply commenting the post, and even simply engaging with the content. The 3-second rule, someone said before me, the 3-second rule, if you are engaging for any content, it's the rethinking of the same content. That means you are engaged with that content. That means you are providing the input, hey, I like this, only with the 3 seconds. If you are sliding up, you can say, I'm bored. You are not saying anything, but you are simply nudging it. And if you are again watching the same thing, hey, I like this content. You are not saying anything, but your behavior pattern literally gives the input to the models. You are predicting something in your mind, and it will show us a video, show us an object, show us images in front of you. And neuroscience shows that your milliseconds of decision-making skills slowly grabs into the signals to the data. That means GPTs or even any kind of copilot and anything. But the same neuroscience says if your brain's initiating the action, the same action is initiated millisecond before as you are aware. Without the awareness, you are providing the data to the AI. The cognitive bias, have you heard about that? In neuroscience is one of the most important topic. The cognitive bias, where you are always thinking up this decision, that decision, this decision, that decision. These kind of biases are making towards because of you. The biases made the same thing of model, the predictive models. And you people are providing the data to predict analytics. Nowadays, numbers are not just the data. You can say the numbers are showing the dashboards, the analysis, the predictions. No, it's not. They are turning into behavioral signals. They are behavioral patterns. They are your pattern of actions. Just think about it. It's all about your brain. Your brain is the most important input for the data and AI. We need to cultivate it properly. If you are losing it, you are trading it for the machines. If you are trading it for the machines, what will happen? Simple. Machine will take over everything, even our job, our day-to-day life, everything. As I initially asked, you are scrolling day by day as a first task in your day. Am I correct? You are providing the signals. That's it. Your brain signals turn to the scrolls into signals, the signals into data, the data into AI. And it predicts some models, your emotions, not even only the emotions. You are the one who are providing the whole brain and training into the another model. You are just creating the whole twin of yourself. See, if you want anything productive, if you can search anything productivity in the sense, it will show the same content. If you are thinking about the entertainment in the sense, you can see the whole entertainment in all kind of social media applications. Not only that, even your mobile, your gadgets, which are incorporated with the AI and model will show the same thing. Millions of people are working behind this. That means not the people who are from software industry or AI industry. We are the people and we are giving the data and we are the copy of digital twin. We are working for the AI and still blaming the AI took up everything. No. We signaled AI. We provided the best behavioral patterns. We provided our brain signals. Even we provided our whole amygdala, that means a decision-making skill, to AI. So for every day, we are making around 10 million decisions each and every day. We are. Have you ever felt that? From the morning to night, we are making around 10 million decisions. The tiny decisions are the tracking points. Those tracking points provide you the proper, efficient way of data to the AI. And then the whole model built it like you, and it will think like you. We can say, hey, is it mentalist? No. They are not mentalist. We are the mentalist, and we are providing the data to them by our actions. As I mentioned, the patterns are not easier one. If you want to leave your identity, you don't need any name, any identity from where, any kind of information about you. You can give the scrolls, you can give the nudges, you can give the comments, you can give the likes. Moreover, you can give your voice notes. It's everything defines about you. Everything different about the model which you are training in front without knowing you, without your knowledge. If you want to build anything, any AI in the sense, you can use those data and build an AI. So instead of you, the AI will work. For these years, I'm working with AI and data and even with the people. So I just combined the data science and the behavioral science into artificial intelligence. And then now I built my own AI. That means people will say, GPT Copilot, no, it's my GPT. We can say Bharathi's GPT, but it's not happened like that. The thing is, he thinks faster than me and works harder than me. Because of that guy, I completed the doctorate. The doctorate is not done by me only. He is the one showed the way, paved the way for me, the roadway, everything. Initially, I was just a master degree holder, MCA. Before that, I'm just a psychologist, BSc psychology. And I don't know where to start and where to go. But these data points helped me where to move. So because of that, I moved to MBA and big data analytics. And the big data analytics showed the whole ground where I need to get the data and data points and to engage the algorithms with the AI. And finally ended up with another master degree for psychology. As I said, the thing is, if anything stuck up within, just create your gadgets as productive machines, it will pave the way. If you are stuck up somewhere, it will give the way. And moreover, if you are stunned, if you don't have any idea, just give those ideas into your mobile phone or even any gadgets or any model. Nowadays, you don't need to code anything. We have a lot of no-code, low-code options. But instead of that, it will create anything. You can even not even imagine that. People can say, no, it will not happen to me. No, it will not happen. It will not, I'm not ready to create like this. No, you can create anything. The only thing you need to do is think. Think in the way where no machines can think. If you are providing your thinking process and thought process, even your brain cells to the opposite machines in the sense, they will think everything. And moreover, people can say, you are saying that everything given by me in the sense, I must have aware of this, right? No, you are not aware of it. That's what I'm saying. Only with the scrolling, you are providing all the informations, behavioral insights into next one. If you are watching a content, it watch backs and prepares you to next level. The next level in the sense, it gives the importance of you, how it defines you, how it refines you, and moreover, it generates another version of you. So always be aware of content, be aware of you. Not even check about the nudges and even the pauses. So you can say, I'm always choosing the data. No, the data and the background checks, which is available in the models who predicts everything, and they are choosing you. Not you are the one who's choosing everything. So be aware of it. Awareness is very much important. Your behavioral pattern is very much important. I'm keep on saying that data, signals, and then responses, and even AI. So always choose what content you watch, what content you learn. Else back, the content will watch you, and content will make you to engage in it, and you will become nothing. The AI become more intelligent than you. The artificial intelligence, it was given by us, but we are not even choosing it. Instead, it's choosing us. Actually, as I said, aware about yourself. Self-awareness is very much important. If you don't know anything about yourself in the sense, someone will read you. Someone in the sense, the machine, the models, and the predictive models. It will read you, and it will give you the actual input, actual output of yourself, which is not even ready to even aware. The next upgrade which we need, the consciousness. If you are not consciousness about your content in the sense, that means you are not conscious about your thinking pattern in the sense, something will take up everything. And the final, being consciousness, think about you. Never ever give the thought process to something else, some models, some codes. You have a brain, stay human. Thank you. With that, I'll conclude it.